Hi guys, welcome to Moto Therapy. I'm Shashikant and today, as I always say, it's Sunday again. We are riding again, but unlike usual times, we are riding in the afternoon today. The main reason behind it is everybody were caught up with some work, and today 7 of us are riding, and it's 4 bikes. Jatin and Aditya are on Aditya's Meteor. Munibhai, legend Munibhai, is riding alone, and Umer and Govind are riding together on Umer's Dominar 400. Me and Vinith are riding on my Classic 350 as usual. So we have a couple of plans. Right now we are going to a place. There is no name to the place actually. It is somewhere near Rajendra Nagar is what I hear. I have seen that location on Instagram, in Jatin's Instagram, a couple of days back, and it looked nice. Seems like we are almost there. It didn't even take us 45 minutes from Attapur to get here. So yeah, since this is a short ride, we might actually go with the second plan too. Oh shit. Yeah, quick update. We have just come across some policemen. I thought they would stop us, but they just asked us where we are going, and we told we are going to this place, and they were quite okay. So yeah, that's a good news, because this place is not restricted. We are almost there, hardly another 2 kilometers. It's in fact the roads have been very tricky. There is a lot of slush, and it took a lot of time to get here. Bird guys, dreaming. That is how you describe this place. Dude, this place is not even 40 odd kilometers from my place. From Attapur, it's just 1 hour. Hardly it takes 1 hour to get here. The main reason behind this is bad roads. I mean, I'll stop the motorcycle and give you more. And this goes on, and the view goes on. We parked our bikes here. Munibhai, being legend, his bike is parked here. Rest of the bikes are parked there, and all my friends. We should find a way to get to that part. Let's see if we can. If it's not safe, we'll not try. But just look at how beautiful this place is. क्या बात है, dreamy. Just one word, dreamy.
और ये शशि पे बल्लेबाज एक आइलैंड से दूसरे आइलैंड को जाते हुए जो वो पर है, और ये पहला स्टेप.
Bro, I can see rocks, bro, all the way. उसके आगे नहीं है rocks. उसके आगे नहीं है तो नहीं जाते.
शशि, any last words before you go?
Himalayan will come soon.
तेरी रॉयल एनफील्ड किसको देना?
Bro,
अगर शशि वहाँ चले गया तो आज का लंच शशि के नाम.
वो जा सकते हैं ब्रो.
क्या बात है. अरे वो कौन सा था रे, वो बिल क्रिस कुछ नाम बोलते हैं. उन्हें जो भी है, शशि इंडियन वाला वर्जन है वो.
नहीं,
ऐसी चले जाता उन्हें भी जगह जगह जहाँ दिखा रास्ता गायब.
नहीं, thing is, I heard it as Aaron Gilchrist.
क्या बात है. सक्सेसफुली
स्टिकी का डैशिंग.
ये भैया क्लैप मारो भैया, सब जन एक साथ. क्या बात है.
हाँ पुश पुश
हाँ पुश कर
रुको हाँ ऐसे डाल पुश पुश
अरे हम लोग अरे डुबा दिया रे शशि अरे कैमरा भेज सकते तेरे उसमें
even Aditya, who guided us till this location, haven't gone past this location, and yeah, here we are. Everybody else is there. No, there's a photo session going on, and Aditya is in front of me. How good is this place? How good is this place? Revant, if you're watching this, you missed this. Muni bhai, review about the location.
लोकेशन या लोकेशन तो इंडियन ग्रैंड कैनियन है भैया ये वाला मतलब वो अमेरिका वाला देखे थे आप
नहीं देखे नहीं
यहाँ
गए
का copy
पैसे
करके
नहीं
बनाए सो
है
है। तो ये देखो आप ये सारा इसका ही देख के वहाँ का ग्रैंड कैनियन बना सो है
Hi guys, so we lost almost 2 hours of our time in Chagos itself, the place where we had our lunch. We are now going to Durgam Cheru, so if there is any chance for boating, we'll do the boating activity. Done.
Hey, this view is so serene and very nice, very beautiful. I would say you should spend an evening like this. Just check out the view of that bridge, bro, and the water beneath it. Like the greenery, the sky, the weather, and the bridge with lighting. It's like a perfect combination for a good evening. Dude, देखो यार ये क्या है हमारे केसीआर गारू यहाँ टाइल्स बिछाना था तुम बारिश पड़ी आउटडोर एरिया है मुंबई में नहीं देखा कैसा करे ठाकरे साहब पूरे टाइल्स बिछे हुए रोड पे चलने मुश्किल हो रही नाइक के जूते खराब हो रहे हैं मेरे क्या केसीआर गारू तुम ऐसा बैठ गए हम ना मैं ऋषभ एक साइड बैठे पे अगर शिप डूबी तो ऐसे डूबती है देखो और कुछ भी नहीं और अगर हम ना डूब गए तो पानी में गिरते की शार्क बन जाते
This is 50 rupees ride.
This is 50 रुपए भैया बस
50 रुपए का boat ride.
शशि tell us how was the ride bro
First of all, it is not right time for 50 rupees. It's quite reasonable. Yeah,
okay for me.
Quite reasonable. But if it was in the morning, we would have had more fun. And what is more interesting is the speedboat. We'll save that for the next time. So we are officially done for the day. I mean, what a day it has been. We started off with no plan. We went to some unknown location thanks to Aditya and Jatin, and then because of the rain halt, we had to stay back in Chagos after lunch. We thought it was over, but thankfully it didn't rain after that, and we went to Durgam Cheru Lake Park, and we had fun there too. And boarding was not as expected, but end of the day, in the time we had, actually thing was there was a long waiting period for the speed boats. So since it was already getting dark, we decided to go for the big one, but didn't turn out to be that exciting. And now we are heading back home. I think they might have already reached, but yeah, me and Vineet are on the way. Thankfully, we didn't meet much traffic